Did you know that Greenwich College is the biggest Cambridge exam preparation centre in Australia? We have more Cambridge students than any other college. So, let's find out why. Cambridge is intensive general English with an exam focus. In a Cambridge class, you will focus on all 4 of the macro skills: reading, writing, listening, and speaking. Cambridge courses and the Cambridge exam focus on practical, everyday English. The course content and exams are based on real-life situations, helping you develop the skills you need to communicate effectively. In Cambridge, there is a balance of both accuracy and fluency. Accuracy means being correct. Fluency means being able to produce language when speaking and writing. Some students are very accurate. What they say is perfect and grammatically correct, but they might speak slowly and say very little. On the other hand, some students can talk a lot and produce lots of language, but they make lots of mistakes. In a Cambridge course, we try to balance this so students are both accurate and fluent. Cambridge also includes a test component called Use of English. This focuses on grammar and vocabulary. This is not just an exercise to circle the correct verb form, but teaches you to understand the structure of English grammar and language. You will learn word order in English, word families, and how to paraphrase. These techniques give you a better understanding and flexibility with your English so that you can avoid directly translating and produce English in a more natural way. Let's look at an example of this. In Cambridge B2 First, a use of English question might be the following sentence. Your job is to paraphrase the sentence so you have the exact same meaning, but you need to use the word enough in the new sentence. Using 2 to 5 words, which includes enough, write the sentence. You have 30 seconds to think about what the answer is. Did anyone have the correct answer? Did anyone use the word cold? If you said cold, the meaning has changed. We don't want cold coffee. There are lots of other benefits of studying Cambridge. Cambridge is a closed course. That means that you will study with the same teacher and students for the whole time. In Cambridge, we do not allow any changes, so no holidays or timetable changes. This allows students to start together and finish together. Cambridge has 5 different exams, and Greenwich is the only college that offers a course for each of those levels. This gives you a clear goal and you can progress step by step. If you are a strong pre-intermediate student, you can study A2 Key, known as KET, which is an 8-week Cambridge course. If you are a strong intermediate student, you can study B1 Preliminary, known as PET, which is 12 weeks. For upper intermediate students, we offer B2 First, so FCE1 and FCE2, which are also 12-week courses. If you are advanced, C1 Advanced, known as CAE, is a 12-week course. We also offer C2 Proficiency for those with the highest level of English. At the end of the course, you can do the official Cambridge exam here at Greenwich, because we are an official test centre. A Cambridge qualification is recognised by employers and universities. C1 Advanced is accepted by the Australian Government for visa purposes. If you are planning to take an IELTS test, we always recommend you study Cambridge first. Cambridge will improve your language skills so that you have the best possible chance of getting a high score in IELTS. IELTS is academic, and an IELTS course will help you prepare for the test. It's important to understand that Cambridge and IELTS are very different. A Cambridge course will help you develop real-life English that you will use every day. Something that is important to take note of once you decide to study Cambridge is you cannot change your course. It is a closed course and we do not allow holiday or timetable changes. In addition, there are no extra fees to study Cambridge. Cambridge runs the same schedule as General English, but every Friday you will do a practice Cambridge exam to check your progress. All you need to do is fill in a change form. You can do a change form at reception with student services. So if you are looking for an intensive course that can really help you improve step by step in a class with motivated students, make sure you have Cambridge in your study plan.